Yeah. Do you remember the man God called righteous? That man got told to leave home. He loved the Lord and worked in his way. His father Abraham, yes, Father Abraham, said, Father Abraham has many sons, many sons has Father Abraham. I am one of them, and so are you. So let us praise the Lord. So let us praise the Lord. So let us praise the Lord. Oh, let us praise the Lord. And Abraham, in obedience, believed God, and it was counted unto him as righteousness. I urge you to do so. It's a year of obedience.